Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing both ends, your Kaggle dataset and Excel. Sign into Kaggle and accept dataset rules, then choose the CSV or ZIP you need. This matters because Excel reads CSV directly but needs extraction for ZIP. Once done, install the Kaggle CLI if you prefer command line, or just download from the web. Make sure Excel is open and that you know where the file will land. This avoids wasted clicks and keeps the workflow smooth. Now get the data onto your machine and into Excel. If using the CLI run Kaggle datasets, download downer/dataset and extract to a folder you control. This prevents accidental duplicates. Make sure the CSV uses UTF-8 and the expected delimiter, because Excel will misparse columns if wrong. Then in Excel pick data, choose from text/CSV or from folder to import. Excel previews the parsing, so you can adjust delimiter and data types before loading to the sheet. Finish by shaping and loading the data so it's ready to analyze. Use Power Query to filter rows, split columns, change data types, and merge related files. This keeps the original CSV untouched. Then load either to a worksheet or the data model and set refresh options if the dataset will update. If something goes wrong, check file encoding, delimiter, unusually large file size, or malformed headers. These are the usual culprits and the easiest to.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.